Welcome all to the financial fitness program. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to understand what beginners, if you're a beginner, and how to start, where you start, and what you need to do and what not to do. This Today's program was not part of the schedule which I had made, which I'll share with you all. But I got a lot of requests from people who have joined. Like off late, we now, as you all know, we have almost 14 groups of financial fitness, and almost we have 14 into 200. If you say, we are almost like 3,000 people of a part of financial fitness. Uh, Almost like 600 people joined the financial fitness group very recently. Many of them pinged me that okay, we are beginners, okay, you are doing good, we have gone through the videos, and we understand what to do, but we are still stuck somewhere here or there. So is it okay if you can share some thoughts about how to go about if you are a beginner? So this today's program is very specifically for beginners who are venturing into stock market uh, right now and would like to have some more guidance to go properly rather than doing lots of hit and trial. You will have to do lots of you will have to do hit and trial. Still, I will try to minimize your hit and trial as much as possible. So can I have yes or B? Type B if you are a beginner, very beginner, and today's program makes sense to you. In chat, can you type B if you are a beginner, so that I know I am addressing right audience today. If you are a beginner and you would like to know what's going on in stock market and all. Okay, thank you so much. So I'm pretty much sure today's program will be fruitful for you all. So thanks a lot for joining. I know you have very busy lives, and still you chose to be here in this webinar. So I'll make sure it is well worth your time. I'll go step by step, and I will do is I'll give you actionables at every step. So first and foremost, because I'm taking this slides as if you don't know anything. Okay, so if you know something, don't get irritated. यार ये तो पता था मेरे को. Okay, so be patient with as we go. So things you should have as beginner and basics. So one most important, you should have money to invest and trade. Okay, if you don't have money, then typically attending so many programs, I'm not saying that you don't have money or you will not have money. What I'm saying is, as you go through the program, you should have some money to invest into, right? Otherwise, you have a knowledge and then it's of no use. So you should have something earmarked to invest money. When I'm saying that, I know people who keep on learning things for the knowledge purpose. Okay, and my entire focus is not knowledge. My whatever I'm sharing, I have a motto, right? Gain knowledge, take action, earn money. So if whoever joins my program, I clearly ask them, are you going to take action or you are here only for knowledge? Because if you are only for knowledge, my sessions are boring. If you are here to learn and earn money, then it is a you will be able to earn money. So you should, even if you have lots of money, but if you have not earmarked some money for investing and trading, you should do it now. Second is trading and demat account and the linked bank account. So how many are having this? Type yes, or those who are not having this, type no. Yes, okay. Okay, no one, we have no, few are having no. Okay, good. Type no if you are not having an account. So, okay, no. It's okay, type no if you are having, today is beginner's day. Okay, don't worry, we are all beginners. Okay, so those who are not having a trading and demat account and would like to start trading, open a trading and demat account with anyone, any service providers. We have a lot of service providers. If you want, I will write the names of those. You can note them down. Okay, we have Zerodha, we have Fires, we have Sher Khan, SHAIR. I don't know, Sher Khan. Okay, you will be able to do it. Then ICICI Bank. Then we have HDFC Bank. Then we have SBI Demat account. Then you may have Axis Bank. Kotak Bank is also having. Okay. So those who don't have a trading or a demat account with and linked bank account, these are few names where you can go. You should go and open a trading account and a demat account. So it will be same. Sher Khan. Okay. SHARE. Okay. Thanks. Sher Khan. Okay, so which one you advise for an NRI? Okay, if you are an NRI, I don't know. We have Pro Stock, I think, which Pro Stock. Yeah, we have for NRI we have PROSTOCK. Okay. The platform is not so good, but I think they have their fees is less. Okay, the charges they are charging, the brokerage and some for NRIs there is something called you need. There are a lot of charges, so I believe a lot of our financial fitness group members are using Pro Stocks. See, there is a trade-off between very good platform and some money, what your charges and all. So, Pro Stocks you can try it out. Believe me, and none of these people are giving me any commission. Okay, so I am not getting any commission out of them. You can choose. Okay. In general, I would advise there is a. So I'll go step by step because we are doing for beginners. I would say okay. Go with Zerodha. Okay, I would recommend their platform is okay. Their brokerage is okay, easy to open, easy to operate. Their interface is good. Then Fires also interface is good, easy to operate, easy to use. Sher Khan is also there, but their brokerage then increases. ICICI Bank is and these banks are good when you are going for mutual funds and all. Okay, if you are a beginner, I would recommend open with Zerodha one account to start with. If you are a very beginner, I found its interface to be good. Fires is also good. You can open an account in Fire. So these two interfaces I have used. Okay, other interfaces I have not used. So I cannot tell you about that. But these two I have used and I am using still. ICICI Bank I am using. 3 I am using. Sher Khan I know people who are using. Okay. Okay, so when Sanket is asking many times zero that don't allow to buy OTM option, Sanket, today's webinar is for beginners. You have gone to options. It is far away from today's topic. Okay, so when they'll reach to options, they will see what to do. So, okay, everyone. Okay, can I have yes from all beginners who have not opened their account? They should go to this people's website, Zerodha Fires and all. It is Sher Khan. It is very easy. They'll open within 24-48 hours. Okay, so one question solved for beginners. Okay, NRI's Pro Stock. Maybe when you are opening with Pro Stock, I don't know whom to let me know. If you are an NRI, ping me. I can connect you with our group. You might get some special discount what our group, NRI group of financial fitness is getting. Okay, so Divyam is asking what about applications like Grow? I have not used it, so I cannot say anything about them. They must be good, right? So you can open there also, no problem. Upstock is open an account. I'm just giving some name, okay? So just open account. Okay, I'm muting all. Please don't unmute yourself. Fine, everyone okay? So I have given you some idea where you can open your account, and you have to open a trading and demat account. These are few names. Some of them are tried and tested by me. Some I just know the name. There are a lot of other options. You can go for those options. All options are good and safe. Just start. As you progress, you can open more accounts. Don't worry that it's not like PAN and Aadhaar card that once you open you cannot change. You can close it with the application, and you can close it off. I have 5 demat accounts and trading account in my name, so don't worry, I am still here in front of you. Okay, now second what you need to do is free accounts in trading view and screener. Okay, what is this? How many of you are having free accounts in trading view and screener? Can I have yes from all of you? No. Okay, Gaurav is saying no, 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 no. Yes. Okay. So, okay, Dhriti is saying no. Okay. So let me take you here. Okay. So this is Trading View. Okay. So you need to open an account in Trading View. Okay. So this is what you. Okay. So unnecessarily I went out. Okay. Can you see my screen here? I'm presenting this. This is Trading View. Okay, so you have to open account.com. Okay, I'm writing in chat. Write down. Let me see if I can type the URL and give it to you. Okay, I'm sending the URL on the chat to everyone. You can open a free account. Don't go for paid account or anything. Open a free account in TradingView. Okay, if you are a beginner, you should have a free account in TradingView. Everyone okay? Then you should have a account in Screener. Okay, screener.in. I am sending you the link. Now, why you need it is Trading View you will need for technical analysis. Screener you will need for fundamental analysis. Okay. Everyone noted down? Can we go ahead? Have you seen these two sites which you have to create a free account? Okay, I am not saying okay you should have in this only. I am just recommending few websites. You can go ahead and create. They are useful. There are other platforms also. Whatever will help you immediately, I am giving it to you. Can I have yes from all of you if we can go ahead? Yes? Okay. Now, after this, what you have to do is okay, this we have covered, this we have covered. Then 5 things you should learn to earn from stock market. If you are in stock market, then there are 5 things which you should be learning. Okay, what happened? Let me tradingview.com. Okay, so yes, everyone is there. Please open account there. Perfect. Yes, okay, fine. Everyone is good. Let's go ahead. So there are 5 things you should learn for earning in secondary stock market. One is fundamental, technical, risk management, money management, and psychology of trading. Now, what are these animals? What we have to learn? Okay, so I will not tell you in terms of financial fitness. In terms of very difficult words. I'll share what are the gifts which are offered from financial fitness to you all who are all part of financial fitness group. Okay, so what is this? Okay, so let's go. Okay, now okay, can you see my screen here? Can I have yes from a few of you if you can see the schedule? Yes. Okay. See, what I am doing is this is as part of financial fitness group. You can see here a lot of free mentioned, right? I am conducting lots of program which are free, which will introduce you to the financial fitness and how to earn in stock markets. Okay. So this is all schedule. I have to reschedule. We are almost in the May. I have been conducting all these programs every day 9 to 10, and like what we are doing today, I have been conducting them for since April. In Jan to April I did. Now this is the second round. I am doing all these programs. I will have, now we are almost in June. I'll have to make a schedule again and I'll share. But to have a glimpse of it, what you can do is I'm sharing the link. Okay, this is for viewing only. Okay, so just save this link. I'm sharing this link to you all. Click on the link or copy the link and paste it in your browser somewhere, so that you can have a look at this. Okay, schedule. What I am doing, I'll be preparing the schedule again. So if you save the link, you will know, okay, what is the upcoming schedule, what all you will be able to learn by free and paid programs. Both are there. Now this is one point. Second point is what is technical analysis. Okay, so I have made some list of technical analysis which you should know, and I have mentioned the level here. Okay, can you see the level here? Okay, can you see the level here, level beginner and all? Okay, so what I have done is I have written the beginner, stage 1, stage 2. So if you are a beginner, you should know what is technical analysis, how what are participants, what are charts, basic price movement, what is support and resistance, what is moving average, candlestick patterns, what is trend line, combining patterns. So what is stage 2, and all everything you will come to know in this sheet 2. Fundamental analysis, if you are a beginner, what all you should know, right, to earn money consistently in stock market, you should know. Again, I have given beginners and all everything what I have mentioned here. I have given the stage 1, stage 2. Then apart from that, what is important to know, what is financial freedom, what is stock market, and all these are the topics which you, if you know it, you will be it will be beneficial. Okay, once you go through this, then everyone okay how to go through this sheet. So you have a schedule which is mentioned here, then you have what all a beginner should know in technical analysis, you have here fundamental analysis, you have here, and important note to know is here, and all this is here. Okay, so that will give you some guidance, that you will know, okay, this is what all I should be learning to understand. Can I have yes from all of you? If you are okay, can I move ahead? Okay. Now, thank you. Thank you. So let's move ahead. Now, after this, I have been like whatever program I am doing today, whatever interaction we are doing today, I am uploading on this YouTube. I am uploading. Okay. So there are lots of traffic. So if you are a beginner, I would strongly recommend to see this video. Okay, this is giving fairly lot. It's a 4-hour program. I did it live. I'll be doing it live again. So if you, in case you have time and you have patience to see on YouTube, you can as well go and watch on YouTube. There are, whatever is the topic I am sharing here, whatever you should be going in technical analysis, many of those topics are there on this YouTube channel which I have uploaded. How many of you have seen videos here on the YouTube channel? Type yes. You know there is a YouTube channel where I uploaded all the programs, and those who have not seen, type no. Okay, if you have not seen some of them, I don't know how do you explore it. Like if you join a channel, will it show all the topics posted by that channel? I'm not very sure. I'm not very well versed with YouTube. I just record and upload it. Whoever is, so what I will do is whoever has not seen At least I would recommend to go and watch this video. I'm sharing the link. Don't send me a personal message, okay? Send a message to everyone because it changes my setting here, okay? So this is the YouTube link. You can open and save it somewhere. There are lots of videos, okay? Now what you should do is, first of all, you should watch this video, how to earn money in stock market. This is 4 hours live program which I did. I'll be doing it again, but you can watch it. Then after that, go and watch okay, so you can write down, okay, what I will do is, you can write down how to use trading view, how to use screener, everything I have mentioned here, right? All the strategies as well I have mentioned, everything. You can go one by one. I don't know how you go through the channel and search for the videos. uh, you'll have to search for this, or maybe I can just copy paste all the links and I'll share with you. I'll how Okay, Aniket, maybe you can ping me sometime. You can teach me how to create. Aniket is saying, okay. So Aniket, you can ping me sometime and just teach me how to create a playlist, because I'm not very good on YouTube. So you can help me out on that. Okay, can you please tell the sequence? Okay, Aniket, once he pings me, I'll publish the sequence in which you should be viewing, and it will be helpful. Okay, so Gaurav is saying, oh, thanks a lot, fantastic. So you can ping me, just Aniket and Gaurav, you can ping me, help me out for YouTube, so we can sequence them properly, and maybe it will make it useful for other people. Great. So this is the YouTube channel. I have shared the link. You can go through them again, the videos. I keep on conducting live webinars because everyone is having their own interest. Third is third is I have created this sheet. Okay, this is editable. Okay, so don't do any mischief here. Mischief in the sense, don't upload something not required. Okay, so now hold on. What I am doing is I am giving you the link of this sheet which you are seeing. I am just creating this sheet here. Save this link in your chat. Just type in your questions, whatever you are having as a beginner, whatever challenges you are facing. Okay, so whatever is your name, you write here. What is the problem you are having? You are having problem with trading platform, trading view, screener. What is the problem detail? Just write down whatever you want to have problem now or later, as you face. What I will do is, one day I'll organize a webinar, maybe 1 or 2 hours webinar. I'll go through problem by problem. Okay, whatever problems you are facing, I will try to answer whatever is possible. So we are okay, so Dhriti is saying there are 25 YouTube videos by you in total. I searched, I typed your name, could view 25 videos. Fantastic. So you can teach others. So this is the sheet which I have mentioned. If you have any questions, just fill in later on for asking the questions. So this is for the beginners. So till now we have covered what you need to do going forward. Second is I have the YouTube videos, and then you can go through them as a beginner, and then let's see. Okay, now how to start? Watch videos I have shared, attend live webinars. How to start? Okay, so once you open your Demat account and everything, transfer minimum money to your trading account. How much to transfer? Whatever is okay with you. Okay, don't take stock market as a ticket for Wonderla. It's not for excitement. We are creating our financial freedom, right? See, I am retired today. How many of you want to be retired very early in life? I retired at the age of 45. How many of you would like to retire at the age of 35 or maybe 30? Only one. Okay. Prakhar only wants to retire, right? Okay. So already 35, so you can plan for 45. I started at the age of 37. So it took me 8 years. You are 35, Gaurav. You'll be able to achieve. Now you have to have a plan, right? You have to systematically plan out how you will be retiring, how you have to uh, be self-dependent, right? So I want you to start. All this platform is you to start and create, but you should not be dependent on me, right? You should not be dependent on anybody going forward, right? It's no fun if someone is sending you tips, and even I have a channel and I'm sending the trades possible for you to learn and become independent, right? So that is what my objective is for each and every person in financial fitness, should become independent and should create their own wealth on their own, right? Not with some tips and tricks and all. So transfer some minimum money to trading account, learning about the platform. So you place orders. I have a lot of videos about how to place orders and just play around. Okay, what happens if you have question? Put them in the sheet and I'll get back to you. Then based on the webinars, I am posting the Telegram channel. How many of you are part of uh, Telegram channel? What I have posted, I have a Telegram channel. So whatever I am teaching, whatever I am teaching, basis that only I am posting. Okay, so that you go through the webinars, you learn in the webinars, you are part of Telegram, you understand. Okay, this is to be done like this. This is how you have to put the entry. This is where you have to exit and all. If you are not part of Telegram channel, I will send the link in the financial fitness group. Okay, so you can go and join the Telegram group. I am sharing the whatever I am teaching. Okay, I am not trying to make anybody dependent on me. I am teaching and I am sharing the examples. You can go through the examples, see how I am posting, how I am finding, how I am drawing, and take that trade. So that is the objective of that Telegram channel. So I would recommend everyone to become part of that Telegram channel. Almost every day I'll post what share is about to break out, where you should enter, at what point you should book profit, where you should put a stop, and why I am asking you whether it's a triangle, it's a Fibonacci, or it's channel, or it's a consolidation. Whatever I am teaching in financial fitness program, I am telling there why I am posting this and how you can trade, and you can even analyze, and if you find it okay, you can earn money from there also. So that is there. Okay, so I will share all the links. I'll share at the end. Okay, so you can match and learn, place order in it. Don't. Okay, second, third most thing is, if you're beginner, don't buy too many stocks. If you have more than 20 stocks in your portfolio, even if you're a experienced person, you have to make sure, if you have more than 20 stocks in a portfolio, then that means that you don't know what you are doing in stock market. You are lost in stock market. Okay, this is a perfect measure of whether you are serious in stock market or you are lost in stock market. Just go, if you are having 20 mutual funds, or you are having more than 20 stocks in your portfolio, that means you are lost in that. Okay, so don't do, stick to maximum 20 stocks, so you know what you are doing in stock market, why you are doing. So that is one clue. Okay, then further, once you understand some basics, you are comfortable, you have a hang on, you want to do planning and all, then I have advanced programs to help you in going further and achieving your financial freedom further on. Okay. Okay, then Michael is saying, I have some stocks and stuck now. Can I do analysis on the stocks? Yes, whatever I am teaching, basis that you can do analysis on that. Then write down in the sheet. Okay, sheet I have already shared. So that's it. That's the end of it. Uh, okay. So what I will do is, I will allow you to unmute, type in your name, and I'll come to you. I'll answer your questions one by one. If you have any query, if I have not covered anything, type in the chat. Type in your name. Type in your name. I'll come to you one by one. Okay, Jayanti and Soun and Sundar. Okay, Jayanti, go ahead. You can unmute yourself and ask the question. Jayanti, you have raised a hand to ask a question, or by mistake you have raised a hand? Can you unmute yourself? No, yes. Okay, we go to. Okay, Sundar, you are having. Okay, don't raise the hand. Just type the name because then I'll not be able to follow the sequence. Okay, Soundar, you have raised your hand. I don't know whether you wanted to ask a question or how it is. Okay, Mohit, go ahead. You can unmute yourself and ask the question. Haha. Okay. Haha. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Keep going. Haha. See, okay, the very good question. Take it like this, okay? Take it like this. You can keep yourself unmute and take it like this. See, don't take that you are going to find a perfect stock in the word go, okay? Now, imagine when the HR calls for people for interview, right? For hiring people, what they do is they filter out people. Okay, if you have so much criteria, okay, you come, others don't come. So take all this PE, ROE, and everything to boil down to a certain level. Let's say I have already shared the formula in the financial freedom webinar, and finally you have 40 stocks or 40 or 50, 60 stocks. I believe they will be coming in the final list, right? Once they are there, after that, don't give precedence to anything. Okay, just go one by one. Take your time, spend 1 hour each day on each company. See what they are doing. Do you like their business? Right? You should like their business and all business case, what they are doing. Just go through their, maybe you can open their this thing, annual report. There is an annual report, if I can share with you. uh, I know, but it's once one time this thing, right? So what you can do is just go through the annual report, skim through it, right? See, I'll tell you one thing: if the annual report, if they are really putting their heart out, they'll be writing it nicely, beautifully with pictures and all. Go through it. Out of spend 60 days, maybe every day one company you can sort out. Okay, I like this company, right? What is their business model? What they are doing? It's only a one time exercise. Out of 60 companies you will have 30, 40 companies in your list. Once you are done that, you are sorted for 2 years, 3 years, believe me. It's only a one time activity. You go, you do it, identify some 20, 25, 30 companies. You are done for 3 years, I can tell you. Then you can keep on, have faith. You will have automatically. What happens is, next time you don't even have to spend so much time. You will be able to find it very fast. Okay, right? Okay, great question, thank you. Then we have, okay, Aniket, go ahead. Haha. Very good. 3,000, okay. How much? Very good, fantastic, fantastic. Okay. See, what you have to do is, if you have started today, then Aniket, from today till you achieve your financial freedom, irrespective of what salary you are getting, okay? This is a formula I am giving. 15%, 1 5, okay? 15% should be the minimum amount you have to set aside for your investments in stock markets, okay? So 15,000 if you are getting 15% कितना होगा 1.1500 1500 plus let's say 500 2000 so minimum 2000 okay remaining all your expenditures should be managed in the remaining salary. If you have to stay hungry, if you don't have to eat, you don't have to eat pizza, it's okay. The day salary comes, put that 2000 aside and just tell your mind this was never part of my salary, this is not for me. I can touch this money only after 10 years. Okay, with 2000 also you can do wonders. You start with 2000, gradually you will find that your portfolio has suddenly turned into crores. Okay, so next year let's say if your salary becomes 25, then how much you will save? Bas. Now from now till you achieve your financial freedom, every month minimum I am saving. Okay, you can extend it. Okay, this does not become part of your housing loan which you take in future. Nothing. 15% goes to stock market minimum. Okay, you can start with that. Okay, okay, great, Aniket. Yeah, Gaurav, go ahead, please. Good evening. Haha. Okay. Haha. 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 What I advise, yeah, yeah, yeah. See, the answer is same for you and Aniket. Both the answer is same. Okay, depending on what stages you are. So sometimes there is no recording in the system, so I'll just repeat your question because my voice only goes. Okay, what I'll do is I'll switch over to normal headphone, so it will get recorded. Just give me 1 minute. Am I audible? Okay. Let it. My speakers. Sorry. Just give me 1 minute. My speakers are not working. 1 minute. Okay. Gaurav, you can. Am I audible, Gaurav? Okay. I'll just repeat your question so that it is getting recorded. See, how much you should invest. Typically, if you are a salaried person, minimum 15% you should go and invest in stock markets. And when I'm saying stock market, does not mean the share only. Okay, there are various instruments to build your capital. There are liquid funds, there are debt funds, gilt funds, and shares. Okay, so you should be allocating at least 15% of your salary after tax into stock market to build a huge portfolio. Now, I am not saying you should go and invest SIPs in mutual funds. I am saying learn and earn on your own for that. Secondly, it depends on various stages of life where you are. Like if you are at 35, 40, 45, and you are starting right now, still I would say if you are starting right now, okay, let's say you are a beginner, you are starting right now, even if you have 1 crore in your bank account, still I would say start with 1 lakh 2 lakh rupees which you can like have experience, go trade into stock market, invest into stock market, have some confidence. Once you have confidence, then you load whatever money you want. I don't have any other investment other than stock market, right? All my investments are in stock market. I don't have a job and I don't have any backup. I have only money in stock market. So that is a confidence level you can have going forward, right? So I don't know. Have I answered your question, Gaurav? Okay, thank you. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. Haha. Correct, correct, correct. I cannot see. I would say one thing. See, you should have love for money. Okay, when you are in stock market, you should love money. Everyone says they love money, but people don't love money. So only 10% survive at the end of the year because they love money. Those who love money will be in stock market. And I'll elaborate my question answer saying that you'll say, okay, who does not want? People want money. They don't love money, right? So you have to be really like you when you are earning money. How many of you uh, when we this is applicable to everywhere, right? When we are doing job, when I get up in the morning and I'm going to my job, how many of people we see around, they are so excited, oh damn, I'm so excited, I have to go in office, I have to do this thing. 90% of people you'll find that they get up in the morning, they say, अरे यार बस आज भी ऑफिस जाने का है क्या. They like the SMS which comes at the end of the month, but every day morning when they are getting up, they are not excited about going to the job, right? They are going for the job and they are not out of the job because they are still getting that salary, and for that under pressure they are going there. So people who are motivated, who are self motivated, who really want to fulfill their dreams, right, they will survive. It's nothing to do with stock market. It's about your mission that yes, I want to buy a SUV, right? If I want to buy let's say a 5 bedroom penthouse, okay, if I have dream, strong desire to buy maybe some luxury, I want to go in world tour. If you have a strong desire of doing, because money is instrument, right? Money is not the goal, money is instrument to achieve a goal. So if you want to survive in stock market, the first and foremost most important thing is you should have strong desire to achieve something, maybe a penthouse, maybe a SUV, maybe a world tour. Then that is the dream which you are pursuing through stock market. Earn in stock market and I will go for a world tour. If you have that connectivity, you will survive. If you don't have that dream for achieving in stock market through the money of stock market, or I want to send my kids to some huge institute, you should have a dream. If that dream is not there, people will not survive in stock market after 1 year. People will disappear because they don't know why they are doing, right? Job, they know, okay, for that SMS at the end of the month, though they hate their job, 80% of people might not be liking their job, but they still go. But in stock market, you should have a dream. If you don't have a dream to achieve, it's very difficult to be in stock market after 1 year. That is from very practical experience I am telling you. So everyone in this call, just think after this call, think why you are in stock market. A strong reason you should have in stock market. If one thing, if you are as a beginner, if you are in stock market and one thing you want to take from this webinar, and thank you so much Gaurav for bringing that out. Just think after this webinar, just seriously think, do you really want to be in stock market? Do you want money, or you have a dream to achieve, right? Whether you want to buy a SUV, whether you want to go in world tour, whether you want to buy a huge TV, or you want to be free, you want to send your kids somewhere, you want to enjoy your life. If you are enjoying, what is the specific reason you want to enjoy your life, right? You want to have holidays somewhere and all. Have a dream. If you are here in stock, not in the webinar, I am saying in the stock market, if you are without a dream, without a motivation, okay, I have to achieve this and I will work hard from that for today, believe me, if you don't have a dream to achieve from that money what you are earning in stock market, you will not survive in stock market. You better do some other things in life than being in stock market. If you are in stock market, after this webinar, close your eyes, take 5 minutes, think what dream you are having, write down in your notebook. Every day morning you get up, look at that dream. Okay, stock market, I am going to achieve, earn money to achieve this dream. believe me, you will be more successful, most successful in stock market. This is a secret mantra of success in stock market. Is nothing in stock market. Your goal, your dream is the success to stock market. Good question, Gaurav. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So Mohita, I have answered your question. You have okay. So I'll go to Ananya. Yeah, Ananya, please go ahead. Yeah, very good, very good. Uh-huh. You have gone through my videos, YouTube videos. Okay, fine. What you can do is at least go through this video. This is 4 hour video. How to earn money in stock market. Okay, I have gone through a lot of psychology of investing. What is stock market? How you should approach stock market? What are the things you should know? I have explained you basic fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Some basics I have explained in this 4 hours. Okay, so you can go through this video, complete 4 hours of video. In this video, I have also recommended the books you should be reading to take it further, like Intelligent Investor and all and all. In the video, you'll find in within half an hour, I have recommended some books. I hope I have recommended in this. If not, just ping me. I'll tell you the books. So just go through it, so you'll understand what is the basics. That is part number one. Part number two, I am happy that being 18 years old, still you are like venturing into this. I would suggest go back to your parents and tell them, okay, I am venturing into the stock market and I want you to help me, give me some funds so that I learn and start implementing. Because believe me, in stock market, gaining knowledge is useless. Okay, as you gain, you have to do practical application of it. So go back to your parents, tell them, okay, whatever you think you can afford, that if I lose everything tomorrow, like my father long ago in 1991, he gave me some money. Okay, he was okay to like if I would have squandered it off, he was okay. Go back to your parents, tell them, okay, I'm starting here, I'm learning in this, give me some money, which if I lose entire thing while learning, you will not be angry on me. Okay, take that much money. So fantastic, very great, excellent, excellent. Start something. So don't, yeah, 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 yeah. You can start. You start doing practical. Don't worry about. Start with 5,000, 10,000, whatever you can put and experiment around. Whatever you are putting, you will not have a heart attack if you are losing that money. Start putting trades and all. See, you will learn a lot by just reading, going through. You will lose interest in few days. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Ved Shakti. Yeah, Ved Shakti is asking where we find this Excel. I have shared the link, right? At the end of the program, I'll share the link again, all the links to you. Okay, Mohita is having one more question. Go ahead, Mohita. Yeah, go ahead. Haha. 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 Correct. हाँ 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 हाँ. Yes, yes, yes. No, 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 no. Nothing, nothing, nothing like that. They are not there for showbiz or anything. They are there. What my screener, what I am sharing does is they start to give you more unexplored type of stocks, right? So everyone knows blue chip. Everyone knows. Every person who is coming, try he knows that. What I am trying to give you people is some unexplored stocks, which you can go through, and this. I'll give you one example, and this might interest everyone. Blue chip stock like HDFC Bank, right? Let's say HDFC Bank. Okay. Now, if you see HDFC Bank, okay, I'll do this. Asian Paints. Okay, whatever blue chip you want to take. Okay, Asian Paints. Okay, this is Asian Paints. Okay. Now, if you see how much Asian Paints has gone since last lockdown we had, let's see. 2020 March. Okay, it has gone from what is your 144 1468 to 251, 100%. Okay, agreed? Agreed? Correct? Now there is a stock called Deepak Nitrite. If you have seen in the screener what I have given, right? है ना, in all my communications, see it has gone from where to where. Okay, now from here at 345 to it is gone 1825, correct? Now my question is to you, you want a blue chip stock which will give you 100% return, or you want a stock from the list which will give you 6 time return, 600% return? So what is your preference? Accordingly you can go. So the screener what I gave you, stocks in that they have potential. If you go step by step through all the stocks and identify some good stocks, all have, not all, I'll say at least 10 25 20 25 out of them have potential to give you so much returns. So that's why I don't go for blue chip. Blue chip will give 100%. Even HDFC, Reliance, and all blue chips have given decent 100%, 200% returns. But here it's your choice. You want 200% or 600%, your choice. Yeah, yeah, yes, yes. And I'm not sharing anything which I don't follow. I'm sharing things with people which I have been following for the past 10 years, and I have been earning through them. So it's not that I'm okay, I'll tell Mohita, okay, go with this screener, and in the side I'll buy blue chip company. No, I don't have, for last 10 years, I have not bought any blue chip company. Okay, okay, thank you, welcome. Yeah, Aniket, go ahead. Uh-huh. Sorry, come again, come again. Hmm. 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 Correct. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Correct. 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 Huh. Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, same principle it will apply. And one more thing I'll tell you, Aniket, I'm really impressed with the way you are going. Okay. Never go for tax saving when you are investing in stock market. Okay. Right now you are not in a tax bracket. After maybe once you start earning 5 lakh rupees, you will come into some 10% tax bracket or something like that, 10 lakh, 10 lakh. Then after 20 lakhs, you will be in the 33% tax bracket. Okay. When you are going in stock market, have a vision. I will pay 30 lakhs as a tax to the government. Have this target, have this dream in your mind. Okay. One day I have to pay 30 lakhs as a tax to government when I earn from stock market. Okay, this is your dream. You're okay with this dream, Aniket? So just listen to me. So Aniket's dream. So Aniket's dream is one day I will pay 30 lakhs to the government as a tax what I earn from stock market. Okay, write it down and follow it from tomorrow, because if you are paying 30 lakhs to government, that means you are dreaming to earn 60 lakhs. Then you are dreaming to earn 1 crore from stock market. You are happy to give 30 lakh. Okay, this is one more pitfall which people have. Sorry, है ना? Correct. So that's what you have to dream. Okay, I want to pay 30 lakhs to government as tax. This is the second pitfall which all beginners fall into. Okay, so what they'll do, they'll worry of 10% tax de diya, 15% tax de diya. Okay, I'm talking to all the beginners here. Okay, don't worry about what tax you have to pay. Otherwise, what you will end up doing is you will end up buying unit linked insurance plans. Those are useless. You'll waste your money. I'm telling you how the beginners waste their money. First, they'll go for equity linked savings scheme, which has a locking period of 3 years and some XYZ returns. They will go for that because they want to save tax, they want to save money. Don't, if you are in stock market, forget about saving taxes and saving all these petty things. Okay, think big. Think you are going to pay 30 lakhs of tax to the government and start working on that. Then you will earn lot of money. If you are behind saving 5% tax, 10% tax, I'll say in 80D through stock market, don't be in stock market, right? Otherwise, you'll end up in buying unit linked insurance plan. You'll end up in locking your money for 3 years. Don't do that. Take some bold step. Okay, I want to earn lots of money. I am okay paying 10%, 15%, 30% tax to the government. Once you have that attitude, the venues in stock market open up like anything. People who don't earn in stock market are busy in saving petty taxes. Okay, so change everyone in this webinar. If you are here and you want to really earn big in stock market, don't even worry about the taxes through stock market. Okay, don't go for saving taxes in stock market. Just learn to invest. We are creating wealth here. We are not talking about some ATC, ATD, and something like that. No, don't do that. If you want to become big, don't worry about the taxes, 10%, 15%, nothing. Just go ahead. Okay? Fine, Aniket, you are okay? Okay? बट यू शुड बी अवेयर. आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू शुड नॉट बी अवेयर कि टैक्स कितना भरना है, नहीं तो भरोगे कैसे, टैक्स कैसे भरोगे. सो यू शुड बी अवेयर. सो 10-15% इज ओके. Okay, so have I missed anyone answering? Okay, have I missed in the list? If I'm not able to spot. Okay, I have gone to Gaurav, Mohita, Ananya. Okay, then where we find this Excel? Okay, I'll put the Excel. Then Dhriti is saying my question is there is a site for trading investment simulation for practice. Can we simulation? You'll get bored in few days. Okay, don't go for simulation. Put some money when you put, like they say in west, when you put your skin in the game, you learn faster. Okay, as long as you are sitting in on simulation, it is not there. I would recommend jump in the swimming pool. You will start learning how to swim. Okay, so I don't know, there might be some sites, but you will get bored of them within few days. Okay, so my question is, okay, I have answered your perspective. Thank you sharing. Okay, thank you. Will there be, yes, Gaurav is asking, will there be a regular session for beginners from today onwards? I am preparing schedule. Okay, I cannot be specific because I have almost 3,000 people in the group. The question from Gaurav is, will there be regular session for beginners from today onwards? I cannot promise you that. Okay, If you are going through my YouTube this thing and you are going through these videos, you'll learn a lot of things and then you'll be able to catch up. I'll be restarting for the beginners sort of after almost, let's say, 1 month. I'll reset the entire schedule, and maybe then you can join again, which will be again scheduled for beginners, because I am coming starting from April. I have taken so many webinars, so those who are beginners in April, now they are at a very good stage right now and they are able to earn consistently. uh, you can again join, go through videos, and do, or June, July beginning, I'll again start for beginners and onwards. So stick around, you'll be able to earn. Okay,